All right, everybody, welcome to Teaching Talks with Cochrane. Today we're looking at episode 1. We're asking the essential question, what is stream? Always important for us to have a roadmap. So today we're asking the question, what is stream? A couple of things we need to know on the front end. Firstly, Microsoft Stream is like YouTube. It's slightly less intuitive, but it doesn't have any ads whatsoever. It's linked to our South Coast Office 365 accounts. And so that means it's available for internal use only. So that means any videos that we put on Microsoft Stream cannot be accessed outside of the South Coast network. It means that any video that you create will only be seen by those with a South Coast email address. This is really important because it means that anything that we create and put on Stream should only be for internal use. So you can't be like, I'm going to start a YouTube channel through Microsoft Stream. That's not going to work for you. It's not going to work for any of us. So it's important to understand that's kind of what Microsoft Stream is. It's a video storage facility where we can stream videos that you and I have created. So how to use it, basic layout. In order to do this, I'm just going to minimize PowerPoint and I'm going to come up here to Office. Now you can go to office.com or you can go to whatever your like 9 dots are, but you want to find this app Stream. Now if you don't have it, you can hit all apps and it'll eventually pop up. The first time you click it, it will then come into your favorites. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit Stream, and this is the basic view of what Stream looks like. All right, so it is, this bit up here is kind of like what's trending right now. So apparently leadership term 1 week A is streaming. Let's go, Football Academy. Down here are some basic videos on what you can learn how to do. So they've got a video that Microsoft themselves have made on how to upload videos, how to find content, how to create channels and groups, and how to embed and share all of your content. So Microsoft have already made videos for these. If you would like to watch theirs, you're welcome to do it. Scrolling further down, it has a trending video section. So this is what students have been watching a lot of. Chemistry Chats with Cochrane. Popular channels over here. Apparently some CrossFit action. Let's go. Come on, phys ed. All right, so what we want to do is we want to learn how to make a channel. So what I'm going to do is up in my taskbar at the top here, I'm going to hit My Content, and I'm going to come down here to Channels. Now, the reason I am going to go to Channels is because by the time you've made videos for all of your classes, things are going to get very, very confusing. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a channel for one of our classes. So for me today, I'm creating a channel for Year 11 Chemistry ATAR. Description, vids for chem, whatever you want to call it. Now, very important for channel access, we need to set it to company-wide, because if we set it to a group channel, it needs to be linked to a specific Microsoft Office group, which we don't use here. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to hit company-wide channel. You can set a custom channel image if you're into that. I'm not super fast, so I'm going to go ahead, I've created that channel. Now, why do I create this channel? Well, if I show you here my Year 9 Chemistry channel, this has all of the videos that we have allocated for us as a science department. These things are important for Year 9 Chemistry. The reason for that is if we go up back here to My Content and then jump into the Videos category, it has all of the videos that we have uploaded. So at this point, I've got these Chemistry Chats with Cochrane. I've got some old Chemistry Chats with Cochrane, which obviously I had an eye for detail. But by the time we've got this for every class, we're going to have 50, 60 videos in here. This is going to get very, very confusing. So using channels allows us to essentially group videos that are important for different groupings. So this is how to create a channel. So what do we have next on our list of things to do? We had how to create a channel. And then our last thing is how to actually securely upload. So let's say I'm in my Year 11 Chemistry channel. How did I get here? All right, I'm going to jump back to home. How did I get here? I went to My Content. I went to Channels. I clicked Year 11 Chemistry. That's how I got here. Now, I can drag files from anywhere. So what does that mean? I can jump into my File Explorer. I can go to anywhere that I've created a thing. So here is a video, Chemistry Chats with Cochrane Year 9. Now, I can drag and drop this over here. And as you can see, that screen changes color. And when it does that, it's basically saying it's ready to receive a video. So I can let that go and that video will upload. I'm not going to do it because I've already uploaded that video. We can do it that way. Another way we can do it is through this upload button up the top here. So if I was to hit this upload video button up here, again, I can drag a file here. Now we're going to do a quick test run just so I can show you how we're going to organize these things. Now uploading takes very, very minimal time. It's actually really, really fast. Like our internet here is really good, so we don't have to worry about that. You can name your episode or video, whatever you want to call it. This one will always be the default. It will be the file name that you've uploaded. So you can see here my file was Chemistry Chats with Cochrane Year 9 F3. That's what this name will be. You can include a description if you want to. Video language, English. Now the reason you want to set your video language is because it will automatically create a transcript for every video you upload. And so that language is really important because it will really help some of our students that would love to be able to read along with what we're doing. In the permissions category, you would like to share with whatever channel that you would like this to be shared with. So I can go to channels and I would say I would like this to be shared with Year 11. I can hit that there. Now let's say I've gotten to this video process and I've forgotten to make a channel. I can actually create a new channel by typing that, and then I can hit create a channel and I can create whatever I want. Great, so that's our permissions page. We want to make sure this number here is ticked. We want to allow everyone in our company to view this video. We then want to go down here to options and we want to make sure that people are on and comments are on. The reason we want people on is because we can tag people in our videos if we want to. Comments are helpful for you, and we definitely want to auto-generate a caption file. Now, once that's all done, once it's finished uploading, it will process. It will take a little while to process, probably 5 to 10 minutes. When it does that, it will generate 3 generic thumbnails for your video. You can select one of those. If you would like to, you can create your own custom thumbnails, which I just do through PowerPoint and then export as JPEGs. And then you can click this plus sign to upload your own thing. Once you're all done, you hit publish. I'm not going to do it, but once you hit publish, the video is now shared on your thing. So I'm going to go ahead. That's the one that I've just created then. It's before you hit publish, it just exists in stream, but no one can view it. I'm going to delete that one because it's no longer important for us. But once you have uploaded your video, this is essentially what your video screen will look like. So here you have the main video window. Your video window, it just works exactly the same as YouTube. It has volume, it has time, has closed captions, settings, blah, 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 blah. Over here on our right-hand side is all of our transcripts. We have any comments? Thanks, Toby, you're a lad. And then if you had a description, it would be here where it says published on the 13th of March. Great, so that's pretty much it for Stream. Check back next section, next episode to see how it is that we are going to actually create this thing. So let's come back to our central question. What are we asking today? We're asking the question, what is Stream? At this point, everyone should be able to give a basic definition of Stream. Everyone should be able to use the basic layout of Stream, and everyone at this point should be able to create a channel and upload a video to Microsoft Stream. So check back next for episode 2 of how to actually create a video.